Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about XAU USD pair, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 20th to 24th July 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see on Friday, 1.02% positive move, 4017.11 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone, which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's straight away check our weekly chart and let's see what happened during our last week momentum. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a bearish candle with a medium body and a medium lower wick with a tiny upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 8-7 level, which is at oversold area, which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here, this is a 1-day chart currently. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, some important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels, but we have to do some changes in the levels. So I'm removing some levels. You can also remove these levels on your chart as well. So now let's talk about the closing first, and then we'll do the analysis for this week. So now 4017 is the closing, and the direct support is 3980. Direct resistance is 4029. After direct support, there is a support of 3940 and then 3897. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4063 and then 4109. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone, which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do mark these levels as well on your chart. So these levels will help you to take better stop loss and target levels, and this will also help you to take any trades if it breaches the support or the resistance. You can directly trade from this level as well. Now, before I talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week, if you don't have enough capital to trade in forex market, then you can open your prop firm account and get a challenge and buy a challenge account from there, where you can get funding once you pass those challenge accounts. So if you're interested, then I've already given link in the description of prop firms, where I have also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platform. If you think these prop firms has very strict rules, then you can also open your live account where you can fund your own capital for forex market, which I have already given link in the description of GTC FX, where you can fund your own account. You can also use their demo account to understand how to trade in forex market. So if you're interested, then I've already given link in the description of GTC FX. If you face any issue in GTC FX, prop firm or trading related, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I'll help you regarding with the same. Now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 4029 to 4063. Even we will see a move till 4109 as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive in this range for this week, around 4029 to 4063. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 3980 gets breached with a 4 or a 1-day candle closing. You can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. But overall, for this week, my expectation is a bit positive. What are your expectation? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then do follow and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.